If you're looking for a PGDM degree that blends cutting-edge innovations with hands-on learning and valuable networking, Vivekanand Business School is the place for you. Hi, my name is Sakshi Shenvi. I'm a PGDM student at VBS. I'm excited to share how this journey has been truly transformative. One of the most exhilarating experiences at VBS is the Business Analytics and Smart Innovation Conference, or BASIC. This 5-day event was an incredible platform where we got to showcase our innovative ideas, engage in thrilling quiz competitions, and present research papers to leading industry experts. The opportunity to receive feedback from such eminent personalities is truly invaluable and has significantly enhanced my learning experience. VBS has recently launched the student chapter in collaboration with ASI, that is Analytics Society of India. It is the first and largest body of analytics professionals and organizations in India. This exciting partnership opens a wealth of opportunities, including free access to workshops and exclusive internship opportunities. It's a fantastic way to further enrich your educational journey and build a robust professional network. And there's so much more. VBS hosts a diverse range of workshops designed to hone your skills and prepare you for the real world. From mastering data analysis with the SPSS workshops and earning a certification in qualitative data analysis using Atlas TI, to exploring global business strategies in the export and import businesses workshop and sharpening problem-solving skills with the Excel solver and Mathathon. Plus, we have engaging sessions like finance with finance and wealth management and tax planning. If you are ready to embark on a transformative educational journey with a hands-on learning and unparalleled opportunities, Vivekanand Business School is where you need to be.